Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize code efficiency with Visual Studio, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize code efficiency with Visual Studio, first open your project within the Visual Studio environment. Navigate to the Solution Explorer to locate the files you want to optimize. Identify the areas in your code that may benefit from improvements, such as loops, conditional statements, or memory usage. Use the built-in Performance Profiler by going to the Debug menu and selecting Performance Profiler. Once the Performance Profiler window opens, choose the appropriate tools, such as CPU usage or memory usage. Click on the Start button to begin profiling your application. Execute the functionality of your application you want to analyze. Once you've completed your actions, return to Visual Studio and stop the profiling session. Review the profiling results to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Next, implement code refactoring techniques, such as removing unnecessary variables and simplifying complex expressions. Utilize Visual Studio's IntelliSense feature to help optimize your coding with suggestions for efficiency. Also, take advantage of the Code Metrics tool by navigating to Analyze, then selecting Calculate Code Metrics. Examine the metrics provided, focusing on maintainability and complexity indexes. Consider employing parallel programming with the Task Parallel library if your application can run tasks concurrently. Examine all unnecessary memory allocations in your code, replacing them with efficient data structures when applicable. After making changes, rerun the Performance Profiler to ensure your optimizations have had a positive impact. Finally, continuously monitor and review your code efficiency as you develop, keeping an eye on any new bottlenecks that arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.